Daddy, let me know that I'm your only girl, the only man that I think the world.
I'm not crying.
Pain in your garden, you know that you can. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in the morning, I'll be on.
Dashing through the snow, 'cause Santa's gonna blow.
Only in the Regal app.
Attention all Harry Potter fans. Before the movie starts, let's all say one Avada Kedavra. 1, 2, 3. Avada Kedavra. Okay, one more. We're gonna do Expecto Patronum. 1, 2, 3. Expecto Patronum. I'm gonna throw up.
I have finished.
So my name is Bella Hadid.
You've got to understand that there are consequences to your actions.
Oh my gosh, look at this old sleigh.
Oh my god, wow, that's such a cool... Oh my gosh, are those balls? That's so funny. Balls. Balls are mad funny. I mean, I'm pretty dead. Bro, me too.
Y'all gotta get a load of Geo Beatus.
Make sure that your mic is off.
Any last words?
What was that?
Gabby?
What's the most annoying thing about Americans?
That they just like don't know anything.
They just like don't know anything, bruv. Sorry, I'm sorry. Do you know how to win a war?
I couldn't have enough. Okay, one more. I'm gonna have one more, and then that'll be it.
Paradise Punch Lemonade. It is fucking minging. Suck your dad.
What does minging mean?
Suck your dad!
Yo, Ava, I just found your $3 meal.
Oh my god, I am dead.
Yo.
Yo, that's a fire ass tab, bro. Yo, you good? yo, hold on. Are you good, bro?
Breathe, my nigga. Breathe, my nigga.
So what do you guys do for fun around here? I don't know, sometimes we throw shit at Kevin. Who's Kevin? Kevin!
TB to the time my friend and I decided to pillow fight teachers at our school.
By the way, you should probably really be writing this down.
Look at this fucking blanket I bought.
Ugly.
I'm the alpha. I'm the leader. I'm the one to trust. Together.
That's what that looks like. Off your hands. Let's see your hands. Wash in water. Is it coming off your hands? No. Oh shit. There we go.
Do you wear wigs?
No, I do not.
Have you worn wigs?
No, I have not.
You are a beautiful man. A beautiful man. Will you wear wigs?
Maybe.
When will you wear wigs? Mr. Woods, in the photo shoots you do you wear wigs?
How many types of women vaginas in world?
Oh, she wants me in the picture too.
Oh shit!
Why would I take them out?
Bro.
I'm just gonna sit right here.
Oh my god! Go slow, bro. Why you going so fast, bro?
I'm going slow.
You make me nervous, bro.
I'm going slow.
Oh my god! Bro, I'm not trusting you, bro.
Come one, come all. Come, everybody, all over your face. Bukkake, come. Come one, come three. Yep, come.
Why would they make you president?
Well, maybe it's because I can recite all 50 states in a quarter of a second.
Tell me a sound that's better than this.
I use this a lot.
Passing the mic to Mom, and she's gonna interview Dad. You're gonna interview Dad. What is your most memorable memory of memories?
Me?
Beat nuts, Mr. Meth. You know how we do. Free drinks in the house.
Abby, look at this. Bon voyage.
Dude, that's so funny. I'm literally dead.
I could have my Gucci on. I go wear my Louis Vuitton. But even with nothing on, bet I made you.
Even if we never speak again, I'm a fucking rock star, but I've never been a pro.
Can you show me the squishy dance?